Do your architectural floor plan look flat and boring? Let me show you how to turn them into presentation-ready, realistic renders in Photoshop in just few simple steps. Hi, I'm Kritika, an architectural illustrator and educator, and in today's video, I'll show you 3 Photoshop tricks that will instantly make your floor plans look more realistic. First, always make sure your drawing lines are in closed loop. This way, the Magic Wand tool can easily select areas like walls or floors. With just one click, you can select entire section and apply colors and materials without manually tracing it. Press Shift to select more. Second, use pattern fill to add flooring, tiles, or textures. Photoshop lets you scale, rotate, import your own patterns so you can customize everything from wood to concrete. This is the fastest way to add realistic finishes. Third, don't forget shadows. By adding a drop shadow to your wall layer and combining it with the thin white stroke, you will instantly get depth and clarity. Your walls will pop and the plan feels more three-dimensional. So, remember, closed loop for easy selection, pattern fills for quick materials, and shadows for depth. Just these 3 steps will dramatically improve your plans. And this is just the beginning. In my full tutorial, I will take you step by step to the entire process from textures and landscaping to furniture cutouts. Plus, you will get practice files and resources to follow along with me. So, check out the link in the description box below and start creating your own realistic plan renders today.